Here's a pair of the Soundcore Life Q20 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV. This is the Sony Smart TV that has Google TV. So first thing is we need to go to the settings on our Sony TV. You can click on the home button, go to the home screen, and then navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. Or if you have a settings button on your remote, like I do right there, that gear icon, let me focus in right there. Let me click on that. And then from here, I'm going to go to settings right there. So settings, okay on the remotes. And then from here, I'm going to scroll all the way down to remotes and accessories. Remotes and accessories right there. Okay on the remotes. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then we're going to go down one to pair accessory. Let's select that on the remote. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these in a pairing mode before the scan here, or the searching stops, okay? So on the one side of the ear cup here, we have this power button. So let me first turn these on. Let me press and hold this button for a few seconds. Let's turn it on. And what I want is a blue blinking light, which would indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? And there's a blue light there, but it's a solid blue light, and then it disappears, and I don't get no blue light. I saw that solid blue light on there for a few seconds because it's connected to another device. I think it's connected to my iPhone. So for me, let me turn these off first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Okay, now they're off. Now, for me to put this into pairing mode, I have to press and hold, continue to hold the power button until I get a blue blinking light here, okay? So power button here, ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding. I'm still holding. It's turning on. Still holding. Still holding. Oh, blue, blue, blue. That's blue. It's not blinking white. Okay, that's a blue color. It's in pairing mode. So now we're going to go back to the TV here, and it's still searching. It's in pairing mode. And if you took too long, we'll have to click on the back button and do the search again. All right, it's not popping up. It's still in pairing mode. Maybe I took a little bit too long. Let me go back. Click on the back button here. And I'm going to pair accessory again and do that search again. And it's still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking blue here. So let's see if it finds it now. Okay, so I'm rescanning again. And okay, so it finally showed up. Soundcore Life Q20. Let's go down to that. Highlight it. Okay, it's in pairing. We should get a pairing request here shortly. There's a pairing request. So a pair is highlighted. Okay on the remote. It says connecting. Okay, now it's switched to Soundcore Life Q20. So now these are connected, okay? So if I go down to Sound Life, you can see accessories. If I go to Sound Life, I know they're connected because I only have a disconnect up here, okay? If I go to my other headphones that were paired, if I go down here, those are Sony ones, it says connect, okay? So we know that the Soundcore says disconnect, so we know that they're currently connected. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.